That trail goes back to the waterfall in the area, you know.
Ah. Basically, this is one of the tourist attractions that we have in the valley, the Henry Valley. The name of the place is called Nature World. And basically it is at the end of the Gadette road. And so this is the first building that you will encounter when you come here. I'm not sure if it is for registration or whatever it is that they do there. Maybe they have some kind of souvenirs that they sell. I'm not sure. And so this is one of the other houses that he has on the site. So Coney just informed me that there is actually a real waterfall higher up as part of this facility, Nature World. There is a waterfall higher up which I was probably not even aware of, and definitely it is something that I would want to see. Really, honestly, I'm telling you, I have been to a number of those things, but very few of those can come close to what the experience that you're going to have here. I'm telling you, you can feel the nature all in this place, man. You can feel nature in this place. Yeah, there is an actual waterfall higher up. You can barbecue up somewhere up there. You know, you have this. They criticize what they don't understand. Yeah, so that's the brethren, Coney here. He's one of those that run that show here. That's Coney. So you can see sitting down by one of the critters that trap the water. So the guests come inside of that thing there? Yeah, so that's one of the pools here. That critter is actually a pool. So when the guests come, they actually get into that pool here, and they enjoy themselves. So from that first pool, you can see the water is trickling from it and is going down and is going to the second pool here. Yeah, so it goes to the second pool. So still in that second pool, the guests would be here. Now from this also you get the water going through this area here. You can see the water is going through here, and then it goes either to the right or to the left, and then it goes to this pool here and to this one here. Now as you can see, today is a rainy day, and since this is the river, you can see that the turbidity is kind of high. The water is turbid, so it is not as clean as it would normally be. But most times you would come here on a regular day without rain, the water would be crystal clear, because this is how it is around here. The water is usually crystal clear in these areas. And so what happened is, you've seen the water look this color because there is like it is soiled to some extent, but it is still inviting in spite of the fact that it is not crystal clear. it is still very inviting, man. And right now I'm feeling hot and I really feeling like jumping into that pool. You know, that's the main reason. That's what I really wanted to see, and I got a chance to see it, you know. So that's basically the pools. So you have one, this is one here, one pool, that is two pool, that's another one here, that's a third one, and the first and the main one is this one up here. Yeah. So what's going on in that house up there, Connie? Okay. So over here on the top here you can see that there is a shade up there. That is, if you have something to barbecue, you can actually use that area up there to barbecue your stuff. But it's a nice place. It is really it's very close to what you would expect in the natural environment. It really mimics the raw natural environment really here. So this is some place that really people need to be coming here. It's a place I would recommend, honestly, because it really looks authentic. And the thing is, the quality of the water is very good here because you are actually in the forest and there is not you don't have farming operations taking place here. You do not have problems where chemicals are being sipped into this water or anything like that. This is really pure water you're going to get here. This is really cool, pure water. You will not be exposed to chemicals. This is coming straight from the forest. You know, so it is a place I really would recommend. You know, imagine it would be a good place for like tourists who come to this country. It would be good for even locals who come here. This change your environment. It's a good place for teachers when you have teachers retreat, or even other government workers when they have retreats. It's a nice place to come, and you can have a remarkable time in that place. You know, if you are into barbecue, there's a place up there you could barbecue. Look, you can just soak into this natural river water, no chemicals, because we're way up in the forest. And so it's a place I recommend. You know, keep the fire burning.